Okay, let's jump right into this explainer. If you've ever launched a website, you know for a fact that the absolute hardest part isn't actually building it, it's getting anyone to actually show up. So today, we're unpacking Growliker, which is a service claiming to have completely solved your website traffic woes.
Section 1. The website traffic problem.
It's the ultimate frustrating question, isn't it? Is your website not getting visitors? This hits on the core anxiety of pretty much every digital creator and business owner out there. You build something incredible, you pour your absolute heart into it, but the digital highway leading to your front door, completely empty. It's like throwing a massive party and nobody shows up.
And man, it's maddening. Posting content daily but still not ranking on Google? You're putting in the grind every single day, playing by all the rules, essentially shouting into the void. But Google's algorithm is just ghosting you. You check your analytics dashboard and it's just staring back at you with flat zeros across the board.
Which brings us to Section 2, introducing the Growliker solution. Enter Growliker, and they absolutely do not mince words here. They're positioning themselves as the cheapest worldwide website traffic service on the market today, literally starting at just 8 cents. 8 cents! It's a wildly bold promise with a barrier to entry that is practically non-existent. But wait, it's not just about being cheap, it's about the sheer scale of the thing. We're talking about a promise to deliver real visitors at a speed of up to 5,000 per day. To put that into perspective, imagine taking a website that's currently a digital ghost town and instantly flipping a switch to flood it with 5,000 pairs of eyes every single day. That is a massive overnight leap.
So how does that work? Let's look at Section 3, Traffic Sources and Pricing.
So, how exactly does an 8-cent promise scale up? Well, it depends entirely on the specific kind of traffic you're after. Basic direct visits run you about 38 cents. But say you want something a bit more premium, like organic Google traffic tied to custom keywords, that bumps up to 66 cents. Or standard traffic straight from Google.com sits at 90 cents. You're basically paying a slight premium for traffic that looks highly intentional, because, as we know, search engines absolutely love it when users actively search for and click on your site.
But hey, website traffic isn't just about Google anymore, right? Growliker actually has this massive menu of targeted platform-specific traffic sources. We're talking Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitch, Fiverr, and even Blogger. Whether your target demographic is scrolling visual feeds or watching gaming streams, they essentially offer a direct pipeline from pretty much every major digital ecosystem out there.
And here's the real kicker. Getting targeted traffic from those giant social platforms, that brings us right back down to that rock-bottom anchor price, just 8 cents a pop. It's totally designed to give you hyper-specific social engagement for absolute pennies on the dollar, which makes it highly accessible whether you're a massive corporate brand or just a solo creator hustling from your living room.
Moving on to Section 4, Specific Claims and Guarantees.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Buying traffic can sound a little risky, right? But they explicitly state that their traffic is 100% AdSense safe. This is a total game changer. It means monetized sites don't have to stress about getting penalized or banned by Google's ad network, which we all know is the digital kiss of death. They also promise this traffic will boost your overall SEO, bump up your Alexa rank, and at the end of the day, increase actual sales. It's aiming for fundamental business growth, not just empty clicks.
It all really boils down to their core philosophy, wrapped up in this definitive push: stop waiting for traffic, start driving it today. It's about flipping the script. Instead of passively sitting around crossing your fingers that the algorithm gods will finally bless you, you are taking active, empowered control of who actually shows up at your digital doorstep.
So whether you decide to grind it out organically or test out a paid solution like Growliker, the ultimate challenge of the internet is exactly the same. You simply have to get eyes on your work. So I'll leave you with this final thought to ponder. In a digital world completely overflowing with content, what is your ultimate strategy to stop waiting and start driving? Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and we will see you next time.